Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by a lava lamp, only to reconsider after checking the price tag? You can create your own version at home using simple ingredients. Start with a large, sealable bottle, filling it 3/4 with vegetable oil, adding water, and about 10 drops of food coloring. For the lava effect, include salt or broken pieces of an Alka-Seltzer tablet. The reaction creates bubbles that lift the colored water blobs, mimicking the classic lava lamp effect. While children can participate, adult supervision is necessary due to the flammable materials involved. For a more sophisticated homemade lamp, consider using a glass jar, mineral oil, and a mix of rubbing alcohols for better density control while adding heat from a low-watt incandescent bulb. With some patience and adjustments, your DIY lava lamp can become a captivating addition to your home decor.